Yeah, not feeling in the greatest mood right now. I just paid. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I just paid a couple $100 on, like $1,500, almost $2,000. I'm looking for a 14mm socket. A 14mm socket, by the way, because I have to take down that bracket which holding down that evaporator container, because I cannot disconnect that fuel line. I'm just walking around with my wife right now. 19. Alright, I cut the phone off for a second. My wife is walking Diamond right now. She's actually bringing Diamond in the house so she can go get beers. Well, I can spend another minute fighting out my frustration. Alright, it might be at 13, so I'm gonna grab that one just in case. It's only a 1/2-inch ratchet. Actually, I'll just use my gun. But, alright, 1/2-inch ratchet anyways too. But, yeah, not feeling like in the greatest mood. Just got a letter in the mail stating that the $1,500 I just paid to fix my license and get back on track and get my life back together apparently didn't mean much. I mean, it's been a minute. I was recording the new phone that I got, Aiden's alternate phone. I was recording and my wife just came around with beers and started talking to me, and I noticed that I went to go came on pause, that my camera had stopped recording, so I realized it's 15. I already got a 15 underneath it there, but yeah, I was recording and realized my camera, my film had ran out on my camera, so I had to delete 25 videos from this phone. Mostly the first ones I started on this phone. So, but I was explaining how, yeah, I just paid $1,500, and the time before, the last time my license was suspended, it cost me almost $2,500. Then the time before that was $2,000. I've had my license been maybe a total of 3 times. Yeah, 3 times. And my last, how many years I've been driving. But yeah, I just paid $1,500 a couple weeks ago. And I can't find this 14mm socket. Might be another $12, I guess. But I'm finding everything else. I'm finding 13s, 15s. Just need a 14. That's a 13. Alright, I'm with to invest in my tools. But yeah. Oh, sorry, it's a 14. But it's on a it's on a 3/8. So, actually, I think I found a 13. No, it's on a 1/2-inch. But I know it's going to, my situation will get better, and that's because I'm going to work my butt off again, like every time, to get myself in a better position. and not give up and not let the situation beat me. But like, I'm not gonna let this truck beat me, even though there's other problems that I can't control because it's before my time with this vehicle. Like, oh, hold on, let me push that back up. Put my kickstand up so I can have some light. But yeah, even though I can't control what the other people done who had this truck before me, all I can do is repair the broken parts now and continue going about my day. So one way or another, oh, it's a lot of water. That's why I put this tarp on here, so stop leaking on my tools. Clean this truck again. But yeah, I'm not gonna let anything stop me or beat me. I'm gonna keep on doing what I need to do and doing what I have to do. Where is it? 3H ratchet. Let's see, it's F15 there. No, it's too big. I'm halfway at that 13. Well, hopefully the 14 will be good. If not, I'll be back out. I might grab 13-1 still out. But I guess this one fell out. Well, these two ones, I guess they fell out of the 1019. It fell through that crack. But let's see if I can find a 13 now. Sorry to bore everybody. There we go. Well, still be 13. Just in case that 14 is one size too big, like the 15 feels like. So I'm gonna crawl under the old Yeller. Gonna make me feel like old Yeller if I have to. If I have to put her down one day. But you know, crawl under here and see if I can get that bracket down. That's containing the container for the evap. But, and just like my broken leg, I couldn't help it. I couldn't do nothing but deal with it. Oh yeah, that's a little loose. Let's see if there's 13. I'll put it in my pocket. There it is. I couldn't feel it in my pocket. Oh yeah, it's definitely in 13. But then I gotta go back out. Let's see if I can break it loose with the 14. I don't advise people doing this, but with not much pressure, shouldn't be that bad. I'll test it and So much tension's on it. So I don't strip it out. Oh no. It's way too loose. So now I gotta get back out. I knew I said it a minute ago. I should bring a 1/2 inch with me. So, my rookie mistake, I guess. Thinking that'd be a one-time shot and get lucky. So, and I don't have a 1/2 inch up here, but luckily I'll get the job done. Excuse me. Sorry about that. I put the phone on my hand. And all right. Let's go play. Crawl back underneath here. Turn around. I can't wait to get left. Can't wait to call Ben back. Send me a left system. Think about it, I don't need that adapter because I got a 1/2 inch socket. Stuff in the dark. As always. A little extra foot. What the hell's storage going on in here? Yeah, there we go. Make sure the gun's the right way. Alright, got that down. Now I'm going to smartly put these bolts back in place. Best thing for it. I don't lose the bolts. And I know where they go when I put stuff back. So, got that disconnected. I can lower the fuel tank with that. So I have to disconnect those two lines right there that felt impossible to disconnect. I just need to lower the tank and disconnect those lines. Channel punch the tank a little bit to see if I can play. Now I'm trying to see if I got. Nope. Definitely have to lower the tank a little bit more. So, and I'll bring this in to show the wife how lovely people think it is to repair vehicles. That is not the way. I can't believe somebody done that. I'm so glad I had it on video. Like I was telling my wife, I'm so glad I had it on video, because like I would have been able to lower this tank. I mean, I probably could have, but why would I kill myself like that just to do something for? Yeah. I can't believe how stupid people are to be doing stuff like that. Alright, I got the line disconnected there. And it's still hung up on that support bar on that side. So I can't do nothing there. Let me get the tank drop down. Need to make sure it disconnects from that filler neck as it comes down. Throw that fancy piece of art down there. But yeah, I'm gonna regret doing this, but it needs to be done. So if I don't do it, I'll have to send this truck to a scrapyard. I don't want to do that. I love this truck. Wish it had to run it. So, but alright. Okay, feeling around by the fuel pump to try to feel something. Trying to feel something in my heart. Thanks for those commenting Scarface, and I mean, most of the comments are me. I've had some awesome people commenting on my videos. Lawsuit Jerry. The other one that I was thinking about that mentioned the way I have to do the camera was J King Entertainment. So thank you for commenting, J King. Just hopefully I can fulfill the future of my goals. But I'll crawl out of here for a minute. Go spend some time with my wife since she just got off work. And it is like 10:30 almost. And oh, DJ Ghost is live. I might try to catch this live. Oh no, it's 11:03. So I'm going there and finish editing up a video. I wish it was early enough to post the video. Oh, look how stripped that is. I might need some new bolts here soon for the drive shaft yoke. And I need a new U-joint for the drive shaft. Being these are not so pretty. I mean, is fine looking, but the fact that it's coming off so easily, or at least put some grease in it. Probably clean that up with some brake cleaner and put some tires still on the ground, so I can't spin the rear end. But we got some progress done. Got some making some way. So feeling a little bit better about myself and the path that I have to complete to get this truck running and fix my situations. So, man, I wish I had dual pipes, so one day it will. Set of courses or Flowmaster or what's the one that CJ said the other day? The other day when he was talking about his new incredible scat pack, and the same one that Mike uses from Autovlog, Boiler Attack. I'll probably sound pretty good on a little V8, little 5.3 V8. But alright, see y'all in a minute.